Hello children, very good morning to all. Today let us discuss one more topic, that is how to write an algorithm. In our last class I discussed about which one, the basic things you need to know to write an algorithm. Okay, today we will discuss how to write an algorithm. Okay, so the basic things you need to know is identifiers, assignment, sequence and selection or conditional statements. Okay, before writing this algorithm, you have to know about this identifiers, selection, then assignment, sequence. Okay, the first one is identifiers. First one is identifiers. See children, identifiers are the names given by programmers for some parts of a program. Okay, the name given to some parts of a program given by programmers. Okay, it may be the variable name, function name, object name. Okay, so when you choose a name, the name must be meaningful and don't use long or short names. Okay, unnecessary long or short name don't use. Okay, name must be meaningful. That one is first one, that is identifiers. Okay, then second one is assignment. Second one is assignment. So assignment, you can assign some values to a variable during the assignment section. Okay, the syntax for this assignment is here variable then expression. You can use this arrow to assign this value to this variable. Okay, variables are the memory places or variables are used to hold the values. Okay, see the example A10. Okay, the meaning of this one is that the value 10 is assigned to A, or the variable A will store the value 10. Okay, that one is assignment statement or the assignment section. The next one, sequence section. The steps of algorithm are executed in the sequence of top to bottom. Okay, so you should write the algorithm in order. Okay, that one is called a sequence. Next one, condition or selection statement. Okay, the syntax for this conditional selection statement is here. If condition, then this colon. Don't forget to write this colon. If condition, then statements. Otherwise, if condition, then statements, else statements. Okay, that means if the condition is true, this set of statements will execute. Otherwise, this set of statements will execute. Okay, see here, if condition is true, then this set of statements will execute. Okay, so this is the flowchart for this algorithm or this conditional statement. That is, if this condition is true, see, if it is true, this block of statement will execute. Okay, otherwise it will come to the common point. Okay, see here the flowchart for the second one. If this condition is true, then this statement will execute. Otherwise, if the condition is false, okay, this is the true condition and this is the false condition. Okay, if the condition is false, then this set of statements will execute. Then it will join at the common point. Okay, this is the flowchart for if condition. Next one is repetition or looping statements. Okay, this one also you have to note down before writing an algorithm. Okay, in this for loop or the while loop. Okay, these are the two loops. In this for loop, we'll explain at first. Okay, there are two loop statements, for loop and while loop. Here I explain for loop at first. Okay, the looping statements means a set of statements will execute repeatedly until the condition is failed. Until the condition is failed, a set of statements will execute repeatedly. See the syntax for item in sequence. For item in sequence statements. That means if this condition is satisfied, then this set of statements will execute. Here starter, then for item in sequence. Okay, then checks for one condition. Okay, if the condition is true, here what is the condition? If sequence is empty. Okay, if the condition is true, then it will stop. Otherwise, if this condition is not empty or if the sequence is not empty, then it executes this set of statements and takes next step. because it will Repeat the same steps until the condition is failed. Okay, this one is called the for loop. One more loop, that is while loop. Okay, the syntax for while loop is while condition then statements. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then this set of statements will execute. See the flowchart here, condition of while. Then if this condition is true, then these two blocks of statements will execute. Otherwise, it will come to this point. Okay, if this condition is false, it will come to this point. So this is the flowchart for while loop. Okay, so all these things you have to keep in mind before writing an algorithm. Clear? So let us start to learn how to write an algorithm. Okay, here we have one question. Write an algorithm or draw a flowchart for adding two numbers along with algorithm. Okay, so your question is to add two numbers. See children, when a teacher asks you to add two numbers, what you will do at first? Yes, you will ask which are the numbers. Okay, that means you can add two numbers only by getting two numbers. Clear? So you can read or you can ask two numbers at first step. Then what will be the second step? Yes, you will add these two numbers. Okay, now you get one answer. Okay, then on the next step, you will say the answer to the teacher. Okay, these are the processing steps of addition of two numbers. Okay, now let us write one algorithm. So what will be the algorithm? For every algorithm, first step will be start. Okay, so these are the different steps. You have to write the steps for an algorithm. So here I am writing the algorithm for addition of two numbers. Okay, so the step 1, start. Okay, step 2, you can ask two numbers. Okay, so you can get two numbers n1 and n2. Okay, here n1 and n2 are the two numbers. So now you read the two numbers. Okay, because it is input. Okay, so you can write these two input in this which one? Parallelogram symbol. Okay, the next one you can add. Now you get two numbers, so you can add the given numbers. Okay, that is n1 plus n2. Then you can assign to this variable s. See the assignment operator. Okay, this arrow is used to assign this value into this variable s. Okay, the next step, print the results. Print the result s. Okay, s is the result. So now our operation is over. Processing is over. So you can stop. Okay, once again, the algorithm to add two numbers first start, get two numbers n1 and n2, then s is assigned as n1 plus n2, then print the result s, then stop. Now how to draw a flowchart for this algorithm? Okay, see the first step, start and stop. Start and stop steps you can write in oval shape. So you can write the start in the oval shape. Next one, get two numbers n1 and n2. Okay, these are the input. So you can input n1, input n2. Okay, you can write this input and output always in the parallelogram symbol. Okay, so here input n1, input n2. Then what is next step? Yes, s is equal to n1 plus n2. This is the processing stage. Okay, so you can write this processing in the which one? Yes, rectangle. So here s is equal to n1 plus n2. Okay, then print s. Print s means the answer you given to the user. Okay, that is output. So you can write this print s statement in a parallelogram symbol. Last statement stop. Okay, this one also you can present in a oval shape. This is the algorithm and flowchart for addition of two numbers. Is it clear? See children, you have to note down all the algorithm and flowchart that I explained in this lecture video into your notebook. Don't forget to copy down. Okay, I will explain one more example. Our next question is to write an algorithm for finding the area and perimeter of rectangle. Do you know how to find the area and perimeter of rectangle? What are the requirements? Yes. To find the area of a rectangle, what is the equation? Yes, length into breadth. Okay, so you can find the area of a rectangle only by getting this length and breadth. Okay, so you can ask this length and breadth at first. Okay, then how to find the perimeter? What is the equation for finding perimeter? Yes, 2 into L plus B. Okay, so you need to ask only two variables or only two values, breadth and length. Okay, by getting this length and breadth, you can find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, here I am writing this algorithm and also drawing flowchart for the question. Okay, I will explain step by step. See, the first step of our algorithm will be start. So, step 1, start. The step 2, input length and breadth. Okay, input length and breadth to the variables L and B. Okay, so the variable L for length and B for breadth. Okay, next one, area. You can find the area. Now you get two values, length and breadth. Then you can easily find the area. What is area? Area is equal to L into B. That is length into breadth. Then next you can find the perimeter by using 2 into L plus B. Okay, so now you get area and perimeter. So you can print the area and perimeter. That is next step. Now our process is over, so you can stop. Clear? Step 1, start. Step 2, input length and breadth to variables L and B. And step 3, find area. That is area is equal to L into B. Then perimeter, next step, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, now our process is over, so you can print the area and perimeter, then stop. So these are the steps for an algorithm, and this is the flowchart for this algorithm. Okay, so first one start, you can write it, which one? Oval shape. Then input L and B, you can write this input in this parallelogram symbol. Then area is equal to L into B, this is statement, okay, or the processing statement. So you can write in a rectangle. Then perimeter 2 into L plus B, that also you can mention in a rectangle. Then print the area, this is an output statement. So you can write this statement in a which one? Parallelogram. Okay, the final statement is stop, so that you can write in a oval shape. Okay, so these are the steps to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Like this, you can work out more questions from your home. Okay, please work out more examples. Okay, write an algorithm and draw flowchart. Okay, you can take your own questions. Okay, here I am attaching the notes. So please copy all these notes into your notebook, but don't forget to study these topics because it is very important topic. Okay, after the vacation, we will start with Python. Okay, to start Python, we need to know how to write the algorithm and how to draw the flowchart. Okay children, see you again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye.